And we had a rule that if our staff had a tattoo, they had
April 20th.
they got really mad at
Let me
us.
turn that down a little bit.
Okay, so
Listening to the
I said, hey, so if you
Live Free podcast.
share the tattoo.
Just getting into the word a little bit this morning before we get out there and try to go hunting. I'm going to try to kill a turkey on my lease. Should be a beautiful day. It's a little bit chilly this morning, but man, it sure turned up nice yesterday. Lots of green up going on. So wish me luck. Hopefully I can get one. Thank you, Lord. Man, I hope I got that on video. That was a pretty sweet hunt. So, this was the first turkey that I've killed solo. Not really a turkey hunter. Don't have a lot of experience with it, but man, got lucky this morning. So parked the truck probably like 250 yards across the creek over there, and as I was planning on walking to the other side of the property, and as I am like halfway through the field, some coyotes start sounding off, and when they did that, all these birds back in these woods right here just started going crazy. So there were turkeys. Let me show you. There's turkeys. There's one or two back over here, somewhere in those. And then the majority of them seemed like they were roosted right on this creek side over here. And so you can see here, I've got a little bit of topography. This pops up and over, and then there's little kind of ridges throughout this field. I had the decoy right out here, and when they flew down, they must have flown down right on the other side of this ridge, because I kept seeing heads pop up. And so I'm kind of sitting in this tree root right here, and I positioned myself on the other side of this tree, and I had a couple heads pop up. I don't know how far they were, but they were red, so looked like males. And then this guy, he started strutting. Turns out he's Jake, but hey man, hear that it's a dead turkey. So, the Lord blessed me this morning, and it's awesome. It's a gorgeous morning. Thank you, Lord. There he is. Oh, what a great day. What a great day. Go back and show the girlies now. Two of them out in the field over there. I don't know if you can see it. Try to get with my phone. Beautiful morning in the turkey woods. There's another one over there after they scattered.